Hello friends, welcome to my channel Knockout Tips. In this video you are going to learn how to automatically insert serial number in Excel. And I am going to teach you 3 different ways plus one bonus trick to automatically insert serial number in Excel. Let's begin. Trick 1. Type 1 in one cell, type 2 in second cell, then select these two cells and then drag it down to the required cells. See, the serial number is automatically generated. Now trick 2. Type 1 in first cell, then type equal to first cell plus 1 and press enter. Then select that second cell and drag it down to the required cells. See, the serial number is automatically generated. Now comes trick 3. Simply type 1 in first cell, then select that cell, click on fill, click on series, then under series in select columns, step value 1, stop value, type 10 here and press OK. See, the serial number is automatically generated. Now comes the bonus trick. Simply select the first cell and type equal to row open bracket and A1. A1 is the location of first cell and close bracket, then press enter. Now select that cell and drag it down to the required cells. See, the serial number is automatically generated. Some may think if we refer first cell to automatically generate serial number, then if there is data on first cell, then it might affect the generation of serial numbers, but it's not like that. I will show you the example. For example, let's select this, press Ctrl C, then paste here. See, no serial number is affected by the data, which means we can freely use this bonus trick to automatically insert serial number. Thank you for watching my video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more tips and tricks, please subscribe to our channel and like, share and comment, because your feedback matters us most and keep us growing. Thank you. See you in the next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe.